same year and the same place, 20.1 million people were dog owners. So then, how did I work out today's numbers? So today we're stuck still because of the COVID-19 pandemic. It opened up the debate that was long ago and stopped for a moment. Why dogs are better than cats? Oh, and here's one thing that makes you guys want to be a cat people. Cats are going to be less likely to ignore people who have been mean to their masters than dogs. So that's a little something. And you should think about it essentially for all of you guys out there. And continuing on, that is as much as I can tell you for now. So let's hear it from the affirmative team, the dog lovers. Thank you. I will convince everybody here that dogs are extremely infinity better than cats. Let's get started with our 3 points. Okay. Right now, there are 3 points are that the dog is man's best friend. That is a very awesome thing to think about. Has proven through a lot of history. Second part is that it will make you be a bit more fit and healthy to the owner, that is. And after that, there is a lot more to talk about. For as long as I have ever known, there's just one thing that makes dogs a better owner pet. It makes the owner more fit and healthy with their daily walks. Our third point, our dogs are scientifically proven smarter than the dumb cats. And right now, that's how it is. It's been scientifically proven throughout many tests. And it turns out dogs have way more neurons, twice the amount of neurons than cats. So technically, cats are dumber than dogs. Thank you. We beg to propose. And now I will convince everyone that cats are a better pet. Now, cats are way better than dogs for multiple reasons. They are, for one, playful, but that's not our first reason. They have been worshipped as gods and have been revered throughout society for a very long time. Basically, they were worshipped as gods. Two, they are easier to keep and also easier to entertain. Like right now. As they are more independent and very good at a lot of things. Three, they are as loyal and as loving as dogs. Or maybe they're not that lame after all. It turns out that in a study, cats prefer human interactions to food. So yeah, there you have it. All our 3 reasons. And now, please enjoy a little cat moment. Oh, he's not coming, is it? Okay, we beg to propose. And so what are the results of you, the audience, in a survey of dogs and cats? Who you think is better? Well, it's very similar, but somehow one person won. And the results are strikingly similar. 51% for the dog team! 49% for the cat team! So the dog team wins! And so, the dog team wins. And so, for all those cat lovers out there, Clothe the Cat will make you a bit more happier. Bye.